yes. No ants in this car.
I'm gonna burp.
Oh! Sorry for viewers.
Oh yeah. That's probably not satisfying.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3!
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3!
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3!
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
Hi guys.
Hi.
It's Nene.
And LeLe.
And we're filming a steak and shake, chicken tenders and fries mukbang. So let's get started.
Yes. I can't wait to eat. Oh. Just put that. There you go.
Okay. So I have buffalo sauce.
And I have barbecue sauce.
Let's dig in. Uh-oh. Get off of me.
What's on you?
Tin foil.
Oh. This one with barbecue.
Buffalo. Mmm. Really good. I'm so hungry. Aren't you? I have Sprite to drink.
And I have some H2O.
You see how many fries we have, guys? You don't see that? It's because they had like a little deal thingy that like you could get chili or something.
A mashed potato.
But we didn't want that. So I just asked for extra fries instead.
So we got 4 fries. A lot of fries.
Mm-hmm. We've been out all day long. Oh God. We're
Yes.
tired. We went to
The first place we went to was
Steak and Shake.
to get our food. We sat in the car and ate some of our food.
Mm-hmm.
And then
We went to Costco because I was trying to get Mommy's present. And I go in there and they're like, sorry, you had to be 18 to buy
the present.
what I wanted to get her. And I was like, are you kidding me?
And me and Aaron, like, we drove all the way over here for nothing.
And that took out like a good chunk of time. And so then we went to the thrift store, which is pretty far away from Costco. And that took a good chunk of time also. And we just went shopping. And we were trying to hurry up to get out of there before the sun went down.
And before they closed.
Well, they didn't close until 8. The sun goes down so early. It goes down at like 6:30 now. Then went to Dollar Tree to get a little something.
Oh, something.
It's our mom's birthday tomorrow.
As you know from her lives of her birthday weekend.
It's her birthday. And also, we have to go back to school tomorrow.
She does.
Me and my brother.
No, you go back to school later.
Oh, then just me.
Put that foil down.
So Nene is going to have to work hard because
Oh my god. I'm trying to get my associate's degree by the time I graduate.
that caused a lot of problems.
And I have so many classes next semester. It's like unholy. And also, I have a lab, and I'm not excited about that at all. But education is important.
Especially when you want to be something when you get older. Horror.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I wanted to get my bangs trimmed today,
But
that didn't happen because every single hair place that was like close to us was closed.
and then we tried one that was open,
And they said it was like appointment only or something like that.
and they only do.
It's only
Like
open from
appointment-
Tuesday to like Thursday. I was like, what the heck?
And Tuesday is our mother's birthday.
I'll just get them trimmed another time.
So we did stuff that we wanted to do, and then we didn't do stuff that we wanted to do. So our day today was a roller coaster.
I'm exhausted. But this is so good, y'all.
Sorry if we're not talking much. We're just really hungry.
Yes, very hungry. Mm. Oh no!
Did you drop a fly? At least it didn't land on the floor. Then 5-second rule.
No! I'm running out of Sprite. No!
I already finished my Sprite, so
Yeah,
I'll go after Peaky.
Nalea chugged it.
Nene had some loud burps while we were on our way.
I was drinking it kind of fast and I was like,
I believe it was about 3 burps that you did.
thank you. Let's do some ASMR.
3 burps, I believe, and they were loud. Very loud.
This is ginger ale.
Some good old ginger ale.
Oh my god. Chill out.
Okay, this food is so good.
Okay. Let me do a mini ASMR.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. That's probably not satisfying. It's just like on styrofoam. Do you hear the fizzle?
The sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
That concludes my ASMR. My bubbly ASMR.
Hilarious. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. She gave me some of her chicken tender.
Now, like, I was gonna finish all of it. I mean, we got all these fries.
A lot.
They're so good. Food in general is just so good.
I'm gonna burp. No, I'm not. I'm gonna keep it. I don't want to be gross.
If she did, that'd be her fourth burp of the day.
I've burped way more than just 4 times.
I love me some good H2O.
Do you see how skinny these fries are?
Yeah. You can just fling them around.
It's like dangerous because you can eat so many of them because they're so like small, so you feel like you're not eating a lot, but you're actually eating like a crap load of fries
With salt on them.
Oh.
Oh.
Excuse me.
I'm pretty sure she did not mean to do that. We had a very, very long day today.
Tay
Day today.
today.
Day today.
Mm.
Stressful. Yeah, exciting.
I'm not ready to go back to school. If there's any people going back to school tomorrow, I'm so sorry. I know some people went back to school Monday. That
Today?
sucks.
Oh. I'm really excited for my mother's birthday.
I'm not even gonna be here most of the day. I'm excited to get home from school.
I can't wait to give Mother my gift. And I'm pretty sure Nene can't wait to give her gift.
Y'all, these fries are so good. Like, I'm gonna just say, I love fries. I could eat fries like every day probably.
Yeah, but that's really unhealthy.
But it's really bad for you, so.
She doesn't. I feel like one of Nene's favorite snacks is fries and hot dogs.
Yes.
Was that the door? Is that the door?
No.
Sorry.
And then I feel like her second favorite snack would be crackers and hot sauce. And then she'd also love bread and hot sauce.
Basically any starch with hot sauce, I'll eat it. I like it. After this, we're probably gonna binge watch America's Next Top Model
Oh, I love that
until
show.
I need to, you know what I'm saying? I need to catch some, you know?
And plus, she has school tomorrow. So
Yeah, that's what I got. You know what I mean?
she also needs to wake up early to get herself ready.
I did not wake up like this. Man,
And then she got them bangs. Them
Oh my God.
bangs.
doing my bangs in the morning takes up like half of my morning routine. Like I'll wake up and I'll be able to get out the door in like 5 minutes. But like with my bangs, there's absolutely no way because it takes at least 5 minutes to do them. So sometimes I'm like, you know what? I want to sleep, so I'm just not gonna do my bangs. And so I'll just put a bandana on, and then I go to school because I don't feel like dealing with them.
Or sometimes she'll clip all of them back.
And then sometimes I'll clip them all back.
And you just be like, okay, I'm ready for school.
If anybody has bangs, y'all know the struggle. When you wake up, they look like Wah! like Wah! Like all over your face.
The struggle with bangs is real.
You would not believe. But I think after this, after you finish this, I think we'll be done, right?
We're gonna eat a few more and then
A few more bites and then
adios.
I'm gonna cut this off. So good though.
It's delicious. Ooh, ooh.
Ooh, look at all that sauce.
Mm.
I thought I was gonna burp. I didn't.
I was like, what's she doing? Ooh. Yes.
Excuse me.
I didn't come, but then it came.
Yeah.
I'm getting kind of full.
You gonna eat that?
Yes.
Okay. Stay.
Nice. It looks like we got a whole bunch of fries to eat. But later. Later.
A little bit later.
Or probably tomorrow we eat half. And then the next day.
Okay. We started drinking at the same time. Oh, that was spicy in the back of my throat. It like went in the back of my throat.
I feel like this is my
Excuse me.
second last bite.
Mess. Mess.
Don't act like you don't make messes.
Mess. I'm just glad you didn't do that in my car.
Oh yeah, that'd be horrible. So when we were about to leave, there was crumbs in my seat from the chicken. And I told Nene, do you mind if I step out and just scrub all those crumbs out? You're like, okay. I did. I was like, oh yes. No ants in this car.
I'm gonna burp.
Oh! Sorry for viewers with headphones.
Excuse me. I'm sorry that was disgusting.
I'm really sorry for people who have headphones in.
Okay.
I feel like we're getting full. We should say adios. We love you guys.
Thank you so much for watching.
And thank you for the support for our channel.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the button, become part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get a notification every time that we or my mom posts. Comment below to let us know that you're there. Share, 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 because sharing is caring. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces.
Ow, freak! Did you bite yourself?
Mm-hmm.